Welcome to this tutorial on basic arithmetic operators. I'll first go through plus, minus, multiply and divide operations. These are written as plus, minus, multiply as an asterisk and divide as a forward slash. So I will have two variables. I'll create a variable called num1 and I'll save that as value equal to 10 and num2 is equal to 2. So these are both integer numbers with no decimal point. Okay, now say I want to add num1 and num2 together. So I echo out the answer of num1 added to num2. Let's test it out. So that's 12, 10 and 2, num1 and num2. When 10 and 2 are added, the answer is 12. Okay, now let's try minus. We will just replace the minus symbol there, refresh, and that will be 8. Now let's try multiplication. 10 times 2 is 20 and we have got 20. Next, 10 divided by 2 is just half of 10, which is 5. Now what we can do is we can add something on the end of this. So let's say this is divided by num2. So what I think this operation will do is it will add num1 and num2. So that is 10 and 2, which will give us 12, and then 12 divided by 2. So 12 divided by 2 should give 6. But actually what this does is it takes num2 and divides it by num2, which will give 1, and add num1 to that. So that means instead of 6 we will get 11. Now the reason for this is that division operator will always work before addition operator. The same with multiply. Now to solve this we should put brackets. The brackets will say we'll take this operation first, do whatever is in here, and then continue to divide by whatever. This could be an integer or a variable. So here what it will do is num1 plus num2, which is 10 plus 2, which gives 12, divided by 2, which should give us 6. Let's refresh that and we can see that it worked. So these are basic arithmetic operators which are simple to use. If you come across any problems, always verify your calculations with a calculator to make sure that it's working. We'll see a few more of these soon. We'll learn about the increment arithmetic operator, which increments by 1, but I'll use that a little later. Just practice these and make sure you learn them well. Thanks for watching. This is Arvind dubbing for the Spoken Tutorial project.